What's the meaning of bod? Bod. Bod.
Bod. Bod. Bod is a slang term that can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In some cases, bod may be short for body, referring to a person's physical form or physique. It can also refer to a person's appearance or overall attractiveness. Additionally, bod can be an abbreviation for Board of Directors, which is a group of individuals responsible for overseeing the management and direction of a company or organization. The meaning of bod can vary widely depending on the context in which it is used, so it is important to consider the surrounding words and phrases.